because they can see differently. So, different people are different, you know. But I can tell you, I've seen some of the most successful people I've ever seen were recovering addicts and alcoholics who just, you know, and people ask us at the farm, and the joke is they come back driving nicer cars than we have. Right? Because an addict who really wants a successful life is pretty hard to stop. So, other questions? Yeah.
Do you think there's different levels of addiction?
Do I what?
Do you think there's different levels of addiction?
Oh, sure. Yeah, just like, again, you look at diabetes. You can have diabetics who are very, very well controlled on diet alone. You can have diabetics who are very, very what we call brittle, and they have all sorts of symptoms. And addiction is the same. We talk about stages of alcoholism or stages of addiction. Severity, we use the severity index. And you can have people who are very profoundly impaired and people who are more mildly impaired.
I have one more.
Yeah.
So, if someone had an addiction, right, and they used drugs to escape,
They what?
used drugs to escape,
Yeah.
but then they used a particular drug where they had like a mental freak out. And then when they went back to using their normal drugs, like as simple as smoking weed, and they lost control of reality completely, or they hallucinated, what do you think that would mean?
Well, I mean, it's hard to say. Hard to say. You know, sometimes people use drugs that cause psychiatric episodes. You know, it just varies. I mean, it is one of the reasons why we recommend we're an abstinence-based program. We encourage people, if you have an addiction, we recommend you not use anything that affects you from the neck up. It's a bad idea. So, yeah.
Are you familiar with hallucinations or with Morgellons disease, where a person might think that they had parasites in their ears, or they might
I've
think
heard of
that
it.
they-
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know anything about it personally, but I have heard of it. So, yeah, there was all sorts of theoretical discussions about, you know, where addiction was. So, yeah.
On Catholic radio lately, there's talk about, I think it's St. Gregory Retreat Centers or something like that. Are you familiar with them?
No, and they do addiction-related stuff.
Yeah.
No, I'm not familiar with that. So.
But they're not here, they're I believe in Iowa.
Oh, okay, all right. Well, thank you all for coming.